What's up, wonderful people? Hey, it's Tony coming at you. We're about to start cleaning a car. When I say we, I mean myself and Logan. Logan's hiding in the garage, just waking up. I don't know why he's just waking up at noon on a Sunday, but it is what it is. You know, it's quarantine time. But anyway, it's a good friend of mine. She's awesome people. She also works for, I think it's Bronson, so we're gonna treat her good. But I'm gonna give you a walkthrough real quick on this car. Not super dirty because we did just do this car last fall. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you the befores and a durings and an after, but here we go. I don't know if you can see all that dust on that center console, but man, we're gonna definitely treat that good. She's got some leather in here. She asked me to do the trunk. I'll get that open. This is just an interior clean. She's gonna take it to the car wash. She's got one of those monthly passes she prefers to use. But anyway, I'm gonna get right to it. Just talk to y'all in a minute. So we're getting close to being done with this car. I just wanted to stop for a minute and kind of give you a rundown on where we're at. I lost my helper, but I gained a helper, so it kind of works out. But Logan hurt his back yesterday playing on trampolines. Sorry, I don't know if you can hear me. The vacuum's running. Christina's out there vacuuming, but just kind of shoot some of this real quick. The seat over here actually has not been done yet. The floor has not been done yet, but Christina's busted away over there. But I'll come back here in a minute with a finished product. I know this isn't going to be a long video, but we're just trying to get done. We got it back to back today, so this is actually a repeat customer. And we're thankful for those repeat customers, but I'll see you in a minute. All right, people, we're finished with the Malibu. I almost forgot what we were cleaning here. Anyway, she said she wanted the trunk cleaned out. She just wanted it vacuumed, but we had to make sure it looked pretty. Pretty is always good. But anyway, we're finished. We're ready for her. She's actually on her way to pick it up right now. I don't know if you remember in the start, there was 2 spots there on the seat that we actually got out. I don't know what it was, but didn't ask. Don't tell. You know, I recently found this product called 303 Protectant, and I absolutely love the way it looks. Like, a lot of you have heard of like Armor All, like, you know, it gives you the Armor All shine on the dash. And this stuff is kind of like that, but on steroids. It doesn't give you that nasty shine that Armor All gives you, and it's not so harsh. It doesn't, like, when it heats up, it doesn't, how do we evaporate into the windshield or the glass like Armor All does. And if you're ever curious to know why your windshield has a film over it, basically what that is that's chemicals being released from your car heating up in the sunlight. And it actually has nowhere to go but your windshield. So that's what that haze, that film is on your windshield, is actually chemicals released from your dash. But Armor All is notorious for that, not cracking on Armor All, and I probably should even say that, but the 303 Protected, it's great stuff. And we treated her leather, made it all pretty and shiny. Somebody left the keys in the ignition. That somebody was me. But anyway, she's on her way to pick this up now. Just figured I'd give you a walkthrough. And we have one more coming, so I'm gonna keep this video going, but I'll start off at the next car. Well, I'm back, people. How's it going? Second car, same family. This is daughter's car. We're doing a Chevy Cruze. I don't know what year it is, but I love this. Dun, 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 dun. I love it, but I'm wearing Go figure, right? Anyway, I'm gonna give you a walk around. This guy's a little different than the other one, but we gotta work on the seats a little bit in this one. See if we can get these stains out right here. I'm actually going to take some pictures and insert those in the videos. But I hope you guys are getting out, enjoying yourselves. The weather is beautiful right now. I don't know where you guys are from, but here in Michigan, I always pick up my trash. Here in Michigan, it's been so rainy lately, so cold, and we finally got some good weather. You know, and of course, be safe. You know, be smart while you're out. So one thing that's made me scratch my head of why GM did this. It's like the same material as the seat. Who does that? Anyway, I'm gonna get to cleaning this guy up, and I'll probably give you guys a rundown here in the middle of it, and then I'll be back at the end. See you soon. So I'm in my bathroom, ironically enough. Like, I'm not detailing, but I'm detailing. I just wanted to show you the importance actually of just vacuuming your car on a regular basis, as often as you can. But anyway, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna dump out the water from the extractor here real quick, and I'm gonna show you how dirty the floors were in this car. Well, without further ado, here we go. And then we have that left over. Basically, that's just from not vacuuming your car on a regular basis. It's one thing I'm actually gonna start offering to you this year is, you know, just the basic services like window cleaning, vacuuming, just simple stuff. That way you can at least have your car maintained, and I'll even come to you to do it. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to detailing. We'll see you soon. Welcome back to my favorite people. You're my favorite people. Well, next to my family, you're my favorite people. We're just wrapping up on the cruise. I'm just grabbing a towel out real quick because when we do the seats, I know people want their cars back as fast as they possibly can get them, so we try to hurry them as fast as we can, but they're also still wet. So with respect to you, we try to keep your backsides as dry as we possibly can. But anyway, here's the finished product. I'm just gonna shut up, just let the work speak for itself. Personal belongings in the plastic bag that we found throughout the car. Ding ding. I wish I could show you or let you guys smell the scent that we put in here. The back seat is phenomenal compared to what it was. It was bad, bad, bad. She didn't ask, but we actually vacuumed out her trunk as well. Usually we don't do much in the trunk just because it's almost like a private place. We had something in the seat here we couldn't quite get out. We didn't know exactly what it was, so didn't want to work at it too hard or too long, but ding, ding, ding. But anyway, this is gonna wrap it up with another video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe, give us a like. All those help us. You know, you're helping us learn. We appreciate the comments, any feedback you can give us. If you want to know any chemicals or techniques that we use during the cleaning process of your vehicles, give us a comment. You know, we'll definitely reach out to you, or maybe we'll put it in a future video. But Affordable Interiors Plus, signing out. Enjoy the beautiful weather. God bless you.